All right, y'all, I'm back tapping in. It's another beautiful day. YouTube, what it do? We back. YouTube, what it do? We back. It's now 9:14, Tuesday the 27th of January 2026, man. Time keep on ticking. That's one thing it's gonna do. It's gonna keep on rolling. But we just wrapped up a trading session. We went live this morning from 6 to 7 with our Discord team, all the members in the Stack fam. We took some profits, went live for about an hour, but it was still hella smooth. So I'm still looking at the market right now a little bit after London closed, just strictly in the NY. And I see some setups forming, so we're gonna start this video here and let's get straight into it. Hey, and if you wanna apply for the Discord, the link will be in the description, or just comment Discord and I'll post a link right under your comment. Because I wanna make sure I get everybody into the community, everybody into the fam, so we can continue to grow it, man. Let's go. That's gonna be our first entry. As you can see, so we definitely gonna get reaction at the 200 EMA. We right in between the high of the day, the low of the day. So we looking for reaction. We got the stochastic way overbought. We got it through the Keltner. So we got all our confirmations there. Let's see the results. Let's get into it. I can see the profits. Yes, sir. Take those. Nice little scalp right there. I ain't gonna lie, it look like it's holding firm at that EMA right now. Stochastic is turning back around. So basically, that's the setup that we looking for. You feel me? We looking for that reversal at our main support and resistance zones. We looking for them liquidity sweeps. A little sweep right there in a sense. Didn't get the full doji like we would on a complete sweep, but all of our confirmations was there. So we was able to take some profits. Now look at this one, for example. See if y'all can see this. You see how this broke through the 200 EMA right here? Now we got a bias flip. We flipping the trend and direction of which we want to trade. So now we're looking for this green pullback because it broke the structure of the EMA. We're looking for pullback at now what will be previous zones. That would be, we're looking for now resistance at previous zones that would be support. Hey look, now as y'all can see, we got the same thing forming on this Euro USD right here. What did our last pair do at that 200 EMA? You see it right there. We had that complete reversal back down into the downtrend. What are we looking at here? We're looking at the whole New York session being above the 200 EMA. We're looking at the stochastic being low and broke out of the Keltner channel. We're looking for on top of the signal center buys confirming with us. This will probably be a little bearish engulf right now down here to this 200 EMA. And so I keep scrolling back because sometimes the EMA refreshes. So I like to make sure I get right on that EMA refresh. Yep, look at that little pullback. Still waiting on the zone. It's there. I could have took it at that bottom entry right there. But I was refreshing the EMA. So we'll stay patient. If it can build any momentum. We got the STO is still low. So this the stochastic oscillator right now. If the STO is low, we buy. If the STO is high, we sell. Y'all can see a whole New York session above that EMA. Now we approaching it. Each time it approached it, it got multiple green candles upwards. Really, it stayed above it the whole time, double bottom above it. This is the closest it's gotten. So that's why I'm staying as patient as I'm staying. There's our entry, y'all. At our 200 EMA. It's broke way through the Keltner. Look how low that stow is. Now we buy. Now y'all see what this say? Come on now. Come on now. I just showed y'all that live in effect. I just showed y'all that live in effect. Now if you don't believe me, now if you really don't believe me, check this out right here. This is what I've been, if you really don't believe me, this is what I've been working on. I didn't even check it. Wasn't even looking, but look at that Euro USD signal that we got. Stochastic was low, broken out of the Keltner at 9:29. What time is it? It's 9:31. It was just 9:20. It was just 9:29 on what? This candle right here. That was our entry. What did the signals do? The signals told us to buy. I wasn't even watching the signals. I'm just sitting here watching the market, looking for our structures. But that's just such confirmations for me to let me know, like, them signals, that pay bot, man, they working exactly how the hell they supposed to. And it's a blessing because I've been working hard on them motherfuckers. I recreated the bot like, I say probably like 4 times. You know what I'm saying? I recreated that bot, stunning 4 times to get it right, to get it exactly where I want with everything that I want. You know what I'm saying? So don't want to get no copyrights. I don't know if Mr. Halley over there give me a copyright. I'm scooped over, so Mr. Halley don't give me no copyright. I don't know. I'm new to this YouTube shit. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, but let's go, man. Y'all see? Subscribe to the signals in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, hit the link in the description or comment Discord, and I'll drop the Discord under your comment, man. $100 live. Y'all solid here first. Y'all solid with me. Y'all seen the confirmation that the signals are saying the exact same thing. No reason to not tap in and get you some paper, man. Let's go. Y'all see what that say, man? Taking profits early morning in the Discord on the signals. Let's go. So as y'all can see, this is exactly what we looking for. That EMA touch. Look at that liquidity sweep. What time is it? At 9:45 US time. Cali time. Look at that sweep at that 200 EMA right there. That was beautiful. Exactly what we looking for, bro. That sell right here. All right, so the session is coming to a close, but I want to show y'all. Look at these displacement candles, or news candles. Comparison to all these other candles, we want to catch this right here. And if you look exactly where this displacement candle rejected from, it's going to be the low. It's going to be this current low for this New York session. And I could have marked it up a little bit better. It's about right there. Look exactly where it pulled back. You can't tell me that market analysis is not important. Setting your session highs and lows is not important, because the chart moves in a way. The chart moves in a certain way and it repeats itself at certain zones, at certain highs and lows, and it's support and resistance, man. It really is. And if you look at USD JPY, pretty similar. Look at this displacement. Look at this downtrend under that EMA. Came up there, touched that EMA, and boot it down. Look at this right here. Where did we get our buy at? We got our final buy at what? The EMA. Where did it support completely from? This EMA got this huge push. Now what I need to do for these Sure USD is I need to come set a high, you come set a low for the day, just like that. Make sure I got that for USD JPY. And this is crazy right here. This is the zone from yesterday right here. Look where today's zone, we had the Asian session, the London session, and then look where New York zones was today. Strictly in this zone, the same zone of yesterday's zone. I don't even need to remark up new highs and lows because these are literally the same highs and lows of yesterday. We come over here to GBP USD. We're gonna reset our highs and lows. I'm gonna just throw this over here at 1 o'clock because I clicked it on accident. It's our high, just like that. And then we'll come set this here for previous day. We'll come set this here for previous day. These are our 2 previous days. All right, y'all. So we're gonna wrap up this session here. We took what? About $100 profit today, $120 profit today, something like that. So that's hella smooth. That's you know, all you can ask for, $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? If you can have your compounds and stick to them and stick to your plans, you're gonna be okay. There was a lot of game, a lot of free game in this video right here. Session highs, session lows. EMA work was crazy today. We also live traded with the Discord for our first time today. So make sure y'all comment Discord in the description and I'll put the link under your comment to make sure that you locking in with us every single morning from 6 to 7. Well, actually right now we're gonna do Tuesdays 6 to 7. Maybe we'll add Thursdays, but right now every Tuesday 6 to 7 we're gonna be live trading in the Discord. So make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all tap in for real. Probably finish up some school work that I gotta do, head over to the studio, knock some videos out, and then I'll tap back in after. Probably once I'm at the studio, I'll tap back in with y'all. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, I'm back tapping in. It's another beautiful day, sunny California with the palm trees. Run up on you, blow. My fault. I couldn't fucking help myself. My bad. Hey, nah, I'm just tapping back in from the session earlier though. It's a beautiful day. We at the studio. About to cook up with my homeboy Q. Yeah, man, we about to get it cracking. Y'all see him on my Martin Luther King, my Malcolm X hairdo today. Y'all see what it is. I wonder what they gonna build. We're gonna see in a few years. What y'all think it's gonna be? I really don't know. But yeah, man, we're gonna cook up here. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of that. And then after that, we're gonna head back to the crib, get a workout in, get some dashes in, and then yeah, we straight back to the trading, man. Let's do it.
Crazy thing, bro.
We about to, and you hit that right, and you found it too. You found the note, like especially with the sounds that you.
Oh yeah,
like,
no, I heard it. You made it.
Yeah.
Bro, you brought it out. I was like, he's like, he gonna hear this.
Exactly, bro. Now bro,
I see what you're doing. I was like, let me try to tweak. You gotta start learning how to tweak your voice. Sometimes I try to force so much energy on it.
Yeah.
Like, damn, Q.
Yeah, you gotta learn. It's so many different ways to come at it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And give the energy to it. Y'all, it's the end of the night. We're gonna wrap the video up here. It was a smooth ass day. I hope y'all enjoyed the game, the content. We're gonna be back right at it tomorrow in the morning. Peace.